Hey y'all, John at Cross for another Jeep of the week. I got a pretty special one for you guys today. This is a 99 AEV built Brute TJ. So what they did is they took the TJ, extended the frame out quite a bit actually, and put a full 6-foot bed on the back. Now what makes this one interesting is that it was actually kind of the old school version. So AEV became pretty popular for their Highline kits. This was produced pre-Highline kit, so it didn't have the Highline kit on it. And the heat reduction hood, I've actually never seen one in person. Instead of being one stamped piece of steel, because they got a stamping facility later in their life, this is actually has a welded-in insert, which is going to vent heat, which is kind of neat. Like I said, I've never seen one in person. Pretty cool. So coming around to the front, they used Mopar's front bumper at that point in their life. And then top of the line worn 9.5 Ti steel cabled winch. And I don't know if it's translating in the video, but this thing is absolutely immaculate. The paint is as perfect as you're going to see, especially considered when this was done. You know, the paint was done a while ago, and whoever got it knew what they had and took incredible care of it. So they went ahead and body color matched the wheel and wrapped it in a 35-inch Toyo MT tire. And then they also raised it a couple inches with an old man Emu suspension, which is cool. So my personal favorite part about these Brute kits is they actually have skylights, which is kind of slick. So up here you get 2 pieces of glass. I'll open the door here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And it actually brightens up that interior quite a bit. Has a couple bar tack seat covers, little sub behind there. It's obviously a stick shift. And then they ripped the carpet out. And that isn't rhino lined. It actually has almost like a vinyl protection underneath, but you can pick it up. It's almost like a vinyl carpet. Kind of interesting. Another interesting bit to this one that you're not going to see on every Brute is the rocker. This was an ad, so it actually wraps from the front halfway down and then extends to here. Coming around to the rear, another add on this one is going to be these little rocker guards that AEV custom made. They actually wrap to attach to the frame. And again, the frame was extended. This isn't just a body kit that was slapped on down. It takes about 100 hours to put one of these together. We actually built one here at the shop a couple years ago, and there's a lot that goes into this because AEV does everything right. They require you to do everything right to actually put the kit together. Again, this one was built in Montana by AEV, which is kind of cool. Spray and bed liner, and then something I always thought was kind of cool is back in the day, they actually used marine hinges. It just feels good to take, open them and close them. They're just kind of fun. So that's everything I got on this one, guys. For any more information, please feel free to give us a call anytime at 502-459-9900. Please subscribe to this YouTube page. You can always like us on Facebook. I'm John, and we'll see you guys next week.